so this should be fun. Come on, mate! Where do you want me to put this? Alright, so we caught up with Reese in his Mitsubishi Galant, and now we're going to go get Luke, and then we've got to go catch up with everybody else, and then go with that group to another group, and then we head down to Classic Japan. Yeah. You need shoes.
Yeah. I got a baggie with shoes and stuff.
We made it! Sam's too big for the 8.6.
You could sell show it off with this somewhere. The car doesn't want to go in this.
But we're running out of time and running out of... Well, we're just running late because we're car people and that's what we do. And so now we've got the S15 with us, which is behind us. We've got a 33 and an 8.6 in front of us. And now we go to the actual pre-meet and then we can go to the meet all the way in Melbourne. Sweet. It's still very early. Isn't it, mate?
Just a tad.
There we go.
Try to get rolling shots.
Load of driver.
It's a roll.
Oh, it's straight in the outback.
My car's starting to do this thing. Sucked up something in the fuel pump. We're gonna have to turn the fuel pump off, or we're gonna have to stop.
Ah, okay. Give him a flash pull over and they'll all pull over too.
Yeah.
What have you done? Suck something up in the fuel pump.
Yeah.
Throw your hazards on.
Oh, it's good now.
Ah, okay. Rude.
Sal's jack's probably going to be the best.
I think I have a jack.
That crack got real bad real quick.
Yeah, didn't it? That's what happens when you have no suspension troubles.
That's what happens when
Yeah, it's fucked.
How's he going to fix the front though?
Huh?
How's he going to fix the front?
Tarzan grip.
Oh, I get him to weld it and then I just bump it down.
No.
Super cool.
She'll be right.
Silly.
Oh, wait.
I had to pull up in Macca's because Brendan's rec wheels got a crack through them. And because his spare wheel wouldn't fit on the front, we had to take the front wheel off, put the back wheel on the front, so then we could put the spare wheel on the back. And then we get to the car show, and then he puts his crack wheel back on, so then it looks better. Also, there's this. All my cars are nuggety cars. We're all going to this nice nice group. See, here's our nice group. Where'd Sam go?
Sam went opposite side.
Oh, there's Sam. He's there.
Bye, Sam.
Thing like, we cruise along in a bunch of old school Jap cars and people sort of...
What the fuck was that?
I don't know, I'm looking.
Oh, there's a shitload of liquid just sprayed out the back of the 86.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Either way, it's broken. So, we have a problem with the fuel pump on the
Clearance.
on the inside of the freeway.
Fucking. There's no switch. Hey!
Hey!
Wait.
Oh.
Now start you bitch. It's got fuel.
Turn that off.
It's fucking flooded now.
Give us a high if anything. You can't get the fucking thing started, okay?
Yeah, no worries.
Alright. Catch up.
Bye!
See when it's loud? When it will suck up fuel, it goes. I love old cars. I don't want to run my battery dead.
So this is Ryan, and this is the car he built himself.
No.
Is it doing it?
Yeah.
Fuck off. Throw your hazards on.
Fucking hell.
Throw them on.
They are.
Are they? I can't see them blinking.
I hope my hazards work now. Fuck this car. I hate this.
Don't get out, just stay here. You notice that we've got the lane closed up there now?
Yeah, they closed the lane because of us.
Does it automatically detect it?
I think so, yeah.
No, not too fast. Let her know, because she's probably got her car turned off. Hey, old school crawler thing.
What a fucking shit show is this?
And then turn right. That's the bridge that I was looking for.
Yeah.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I say I remember this much from last year.
Hey, check out that spoiler. Look at all the Celikas.
Look at all the cars. The starts in this car is so easy, I love it.
We found
fuck yeah, I'm fucking right here.
We made it.
Fuck yeah. What?
We caused the lane closure in the tunnel.
I think so. Why, what's it doing?
Kiki.
What'd you break?
We, fuel pump sucked up shit and we caused a lane closure in the tunnel.
The jackass was rooted.
How good is it?
There's a lip on it.
I like trains.
No, you don't. You like cars.
I didn't know where you wanted to.
Look at it. Look how shiny it is now.
Sam,
What? It's funny.
before you think about the funny aspect, what the fuck are we gonna do, Sam?
These cars are easy to break into, aren't they?
How the fuck are we gonna break in?
We need a coat hanger. Someone will have a coat hanger.
Why would someone have a coat hanger?
I don't
Why didn't
know.
I leave my window open?
Reese locked his keys in his car.
Half my keys is not crazy.
Hey Reese, does it make you feel any better? My patrol? 4 times. I've only owned it 6 months.
You should just be able to round up all the keys.
That's what we were saying.
Break into my car for me.
I don't have, actually I have my tools with mine
to open it.
Good. It's going to be embarrassing, you know that.
Oh well.
Because if anyone can make it embarrassing, it's the guy holding the microphone, yeah?
That's why we have the camera.
What's your name, sorry? Reese. It's going to get worse now.
Is that my real name?
I would not have given my name.
Is that the real name?
Yeah, it's your name.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, you're too cool.
Josh.
That's fantastic.
I done screwed myself here, didn't I?
You did, and it's amazing.
young Reese here has done a number on his car and he's locked his keys in. And Reese, being the young gentleman that he is, would love it if someone could offer him a coat hanger. Or if you have keys that are common to his car, maybe you could help him out. Or if you have something that will open a 75 with a lamp that doesn't involve a brick or a mash hammer, you could help him out. Come down to the merchandise stand, cup out Reese. If you can't help him out, come down and shake his hand anyway, he's famous.
We should go in. Tom, come up with you. Mine opened up an older Camry, and it's a Nissan key.
Give it a go, I'll wait here in case someone else rocks up.
You give me a race.
Reese. Also, I lost the button now, my camera can't focus.
Wait, you lost your button.
I lost the button, now I can't focus the camera.
How'd you lose the button?
I don't know, it fell out.
In your pocket? Wait, you didn't have it in your pocket.
Bye everyone.
I am worried, I don't know why.
Nah, you'll be right, mate.
No, it's lunching really bad, feel it?
Stop talking about it.
I'm just really aware.
Nah, it's alright.
See, feeling is lunching.
sweet. Fucking what luck.
I told you I felt it from a mile away.
Yeah, that's alright.
Hey, at least I knew it was going to happen and we're safe now.
Yeah, true.
I just knew it was going to happen. I could feel it in the tunnel.
Fair enough.
Volume 3.
It happened again. Why we're on the freeway.
It's that tunnel.
Yeah, yes.
This is adventurous.
Adventures.
After this taxi, yes.
So start going. Yep, beautiful. Go. Most cars are going to slow down for this section anyway, so.
I need to move. I don't know.
Just stay this inside.
Yeah. England here?
We broke down again.
Volume 4.
Still on the freeway. We thought we'd fix the problem. And we did for a little while. And then we had the same problem. But we're on our way home at least. It's also starting to rain.